Make sure you record. You've got that ability now. Make sure you get a second. People who are singing, look in the chat. It's nice to see what people say. You with us, Mike? I can't hear you. You're muted.
Yeah, does that? Hello.
Excellent. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, this is a lieder by Brahms, who wrote over 200 of them with his friend, the poet Klaus Groth. It's Wie Melodien est mir. The lyrics
Mike, you're muted
You're
again.
muted still, Mike. Oh, he put that in there. That's right. I think he.
Yes.
Oh, thank you for doing that.
Oh, thank you. There's the text.
This poem is really about something we all know. Basically, both Groth, the poet, and Brahms knew that poetry and music will lead our thoughts to a place where words just cannot go, and they fade into insubstantial mist. But the fragment of a rhyme or a melody that over time will recall our lost thoughts, if given could. And that's really what the poem is about. It's a diabolically simple song of immense complexity, so you can screw up at just about every possible opportunity. I appreciate the challenge. So, give it a shot.
Okay.
Let's do a little sound check.
It's not working.
Yep, that's good, Mike.
Great.
Okay, just a minute, please.
You're an echo.
Wie Melodien siehest mir leise durch den Sinn.
Mike, we got you started on the wrong note. Make sure, yeah, you're sort of actually singing a harmony there.
You were started.
Wie Mel.
That's it.
There we go.
That's it. One more time.
Wie Melodien siehest mir leise durch den Sinn, wie Frühlingsblumen blühtest und schwall wie Duft dahin. Und schwall wie Duft dahin. Da kam das Wort und fast es wie Nebel.
Let's try it again, Mike. Hey, Mike. Let's just do it again. That's all right. Swallow the fly.
I got a Frenchman and a German throat there for a minute. Where do you want to begin?
The beginning.
From the top.
I apologize. Wie Melodie ziehst mir leise durch den Sinn.
Mike, let's do this one more time. Just one more time, because you're just off that one.
I'm having, let me turn things up.
Before, can I say something?
Yeah.
Mike?
Yep. Oh, Jesus. Just a minute.
Mike, can I make a suggestion? Can you, this is weird hearing my echo after I talk.
We have a bad echo, but it's okay. Okay, but just.
Can I urge you to sing with those same long vowels that we were talking to Barbara about? Your consonants are very good. I want to hear more the vowel connection.
Got it?
Yeah.
So here's your starting.
Die Melodie ziehst mir leise durch den Sinn, wie Frühlingsblumen blühtest und schwall wie Duft dahin. Und schwebt wie Duft dahin. Da kam das Wort und schwatztest und führtest vor das Hauch, wie Nebelgrau erblasstest und schwinden wie ein Hauch und schwinden wie ein Hauch. Und denn doch nüt im Reime verborgen wohl ein Duft, dann mild aus stillen Keime ein feutes Auge ruft. Denn mild zu stillen Keime ein feutes Auge ruft.
That was beautiful, Michael.
That was beautiful. Love a couple false starts, but you got in the zone.
I love the ending, how you became very tender at the last minute. That was gorgeous. Yep.
You with us? Okay.
I am
so
here.
I feel like in many ways, this particular Brahms piece is about as profound as you can get. And I think that thing that people love about, this is what people love about Brahms, this kind of piece.
This is why we love Lieder.
Exactly. It's these long lines, these rich, thick chords and vocal line. And of course, we put this down on a sweet key for you. So I think you can give us more vowel, which will only help that.
I have a suggestion for you. This is a very typical Brahms rhythm, which is the dotted quarter going to the eighth, which is all throughout this And a lot of songs have that. Like, I would encourage you to not make the eighth notes too short. It's like, for instance, on bar 8, schwebt die Luft dahin. Die Luft dahin. So I would feel like you want to hold on to the eighth notes just a little longer, so it doesn't sound like die Luft dahin. So it has a longer line feeling. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that's where he hides all the rhythm, isn't it?
Yeah. And also the phrase before, as opposed to, I'm exaggerating for effect, but
So I want you to, can you try two things for me on this first page, Mike? Can you sing this first line just on an ah vowel? It's just nice and relaxed with your breathing just being in sort of the focus. Just on an ah.
Just you want no words.
No words.
Go on.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's do that whole line one more time. And one of the things I want you to, what's happening from a completely vocal standpoint, okay, from a tech, I'm going to say technological, just because my brain's in technological, from a vocal technique standpoint, is that you're losing a lot of air. And that's why you're running out of breath in the long phrase. So instead of, you're kind of, you're letting a lot of air go. So
your ah vowel changes a little bit on each note. Try to keep the same space on each ah. Ah.
So try it one more time and really thinking in terms of not letting that extra air, little H's sneak in.
Let's try that starting note again. We were a little low or high.
V,
Can you pretend like you are sliding between each pitch? I want you to be sloppier. Yes. That was better, I thought.
Now let's apply that with the words, okay? Don't change it and sing through the vowel.
A melody entziehest.
Yes. So when I told you to sing it sloppier, what did it feel like to you?
I felt Italian.
Okay. It's maybe why they call it, the Italian method, it has much more.
So that's
lush.
that's interesting. Italian is more lush and German is more non-lush, but
No, don't ask me. I'm a student here.
But I really thought that improved the sound quality of your sound tone.
Well,
does anybody else?
Actually, that makes sense because it follows the arc of,
yes.
of what he's doing here, which is
yes.
extraordinary. It's just a perfect little piece of music.
It is
just gorgeous.
Does everyone else hear that echo?
Yeah, they're all hearing it.
Okay.
So when you have the I vowel, like for example, at the end of that phrase, zin, dahin, make sure you sing through the vowel. Don't go to the end too soon. The same exact thing Barbara was working on. Schwindet wie ein Hauch. Much more open vowel to consonant connection. Okay? Good. Let's try it one more time.
So sing it more like Italian.
E porcio.
Yeah, but don't tell the Germans.
Well, they won that war. We won the next one. All right. Die Melodie entzieht mir leise den Sinn. Oh, jeez. I'm sorry. I apologize. I butchered I have to clear my throat. Excuse me, people. Die Melodie entzieht es mir leise durch den Sinn, wie Frühlingsblumen blüht es und schwebt wie Duft dahin. Und schwebt wie Duft dahin. Da kommt doch Wort und schwast es und füllt das Wort das auch. Wie Nebelgrau erblasst es und schwinden wie ein Hauch. Und schwinden wie ein Hauch. Und dennoch früht im Reim verborgen wohl ein Duft, den milden aus den Stein ein feutes Auge ruft. Den milden, stillen Keime ein feutes Auge ruft.
You're beautiful, Mike. It just is perfect in your voice. Perfect timing. But Micah, there's three things I want you to work on with this. You ready?
I am. Yes.
Number one are the diphthongs. That is not a new note for you. So you want to go to those diphthongs too soon. So for example, Liza, which is on the fourth bar. Like sich es mir leise durch. You're going leise durch. Keep the vowel open. So the diphthong's number one. Number two, don't go to the ends. When you have schwindet or zin or hin, you have a lot of words that go to an N. For some reason, you love the N and you go to them too soon. Schwindet. And then lastly, I really want you to work on the breathing because you sort of arbitrarily breathe. And I think you're losing breath. So you can really work that. You get that. You get a little, I don't use the word lazy. That's not what I mean in a technical, but you let down too much on your breathing and so it makes you lose air.
Okay, thank you.
So they're your big three, okay? Beautiful job.
Nice job, Michael.
Okay, and now our special guest, Joe.
Here I am.
Hi, nice to see you. So we got the premiere of this on Monday, but what I thought might be nice is if she's not in this, she's here.
Okay.
And it should be.
Mhm.
Is if you could actually just say the German, which is the way we've started this class, and since you weren't with us in the beginning, just say the German so we can make any corrections on that
People
regard.
don't have a good copy of this, right?
They do. Oh, no, they don't. No, they don't have it. Mm-mm.
Well, what are you singing first of all? Tell it so the class knows.
It's a little piece by Gustav Mahler.
Mhm.
Blik meer niet in die lieder.